for me, parang on my personal experience, I don't understand why people get so addicted. You lose nga money, you're so angry. You come in with 1,000 pesos. By the end, nawala na yung 1,000 mo. What goes on sa brain nila?
Well, gambling kasi the high is different, no? Immediate and very extreme. Parang sobrang saya mo nang within the first minute or the first 2 minutes. No? Pero sa gambling, boom, ganun kagad yung dopamine hit. So people get addicted to that because they're craving that kind of hit all the time. Kasi wala silang other sources eh. You would look at the background and you would investigate. Bakit ganyan siya? Ay, wala pala siya masyadong ginagawa sa buhay. No? Estranged siya sa family niya. No? He's in a career na hindi niya gusto. Those kinds of factors. Pag hindi fulfilled yung tao, malaking risk factor. Apart from pre-existing mental health conditions.
Yeah.
And apart from having good support systems.
So like, but then in the same minute, you're on a high.
You're
but on
on
the
high.
next, you lose eh.
Oo.
So isn't that opposite? So wouldn't you be angry or parang, I don't want to do this na? Bakit parang the effect is opposite? Parang you're chasing losses. Why is that?
Yung chasing losses, usually, yan yung sa mga matagal na nagsusugal eh. Pero yung immediate na naghahabol, no? Natural ka na naghahabol ka talaga ng dopamine source because medyo poor yung self-control. Yan, dyan napapasok yung nurture. If how self-control was taught to you or how you practiced it in your life. Yung discipline. Some people kasi are more disciplined. Kahit alam nila naghahabol sila ng loss, they could control themselves.
Kasi it's very instant. Parang that high is...
So apart from the factors I'm telling you, yung input pa rin mo.
Is very important.
Very important. At that level.